So in my right hand here is an S22 Ultra, and on my left hand is also an S22 Ultra. So I'm shooting with the one in my right hand, with which I'll demonstrate the focus enhancer or the macro mode. So as you get closer to the subject, this yellow thing turns on, this icon, and that is the focus enhancer or the macro mode. And if you pull out from the subject, it goes off. So you've got to be fairly close to the subject for the macro mode to turn on. There it is, it turned on. And now I can get really close, so you can see the detail that we can get. You can always tap that icon to turn it off if you don't want to be in macro mode. But if you're specifically filming macro, then you should activate that icon by just tapping it. So here I'll show you how to turn on and turn off the focus enhancer or the macro mode. As you get close to your subject, the focus enhancer turns on. You can see that little stagger in the camera. When it turns on, you can get really close to your subject and get the level of detail that you want. And in order to turn it off, you simply click on that yellow icon and it goes off. And you're not going to get that macro focus. But if you pull back on the normal camera, you're going to get the best focus that the camera can get. But in order to do macro, click that macro button again. It turns on, and get really close to your subject for that macro level photography or videography that you're looking for. The focus enhancer or the macro mode works exactly the same way if you're shooting still photos. So as I get close to my subject, you can see that the yellow icon turns on. So once that's turned on, you can get really close to your subject and shoot your photos.